Olation helps you to centralize calculations that are used across dashboards, spreadsheets, and downstream SQL applications. Let's take a look at how calculations can be centralized for dashboard use. Here's a calculation we created in Notepad, and we're dropping it into Olation. When we save it, it is instantly live to our dashboard. Let's see that again on the instant replay. Save and wait for it. Live. Centralized calculations from the in-memory cube are also available to SQL. So if you need these numbers for downstream SQL application use, they are available via direct query. This centralized calculation logic also applies to Excel. So here we're going to change the logic slightly and apply it to cherries with a number of 10,000. When we save the logic and update our spreadsheet, you see these numbers automatically come in on refresh. Looking at a second spreadsheet now, we're going to change the filter from bananas and we'll change it to cherries so that when we retrieve the data into the spreadsheet, you see the 10,000 reflected across each row on the sheet. And even yet, in a third spreadsheet, you'll see those numbers reflected down the cherries column as well when we recalculate. Olation is an advanced middleware platform that works with databases like SQL Server, SAP HANA, and MySQL. In this video, we have shown some basic examples of calculations being centralized in Olation and applications like Excel, Power BI, and SQL connecting to Olation as clients. Thanks for watching.